Mental math strategy number 1, moving along the number line, and we're going to add and subtract numbers 1 through 4, and it is definitely much of what you'll need. It's not all you need, but it's much of what you'll need. Now, the first set of numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, that's a set of the natural numbers, and you need to be able to go up and then go back down. So you need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You've got to be able to go up and down. Same thing with working with the odd numbers. Notice the odd numbers are separated by 2. Okay, that's very key. Because now we can say that 3 plus 2 is 5. And then 5 minus 2 is 3. Because you're moving along the number line by 2. So odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 97531, and say this out loud so you can really get comfortable with the number line and adding and subtracting 2. Same thing with even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. And you're moving along the number line by 2, which allows us here, this is very simple, 18 minus 1. Now, yes, subtraction is a distance between two numbers, but you don't want to sit and count how many numbers are between 1 and 18. What you want to do when you're adding and subtracting 1, I know it sounds simple, but you just need to move along the number line. So you're going to move back 1. So therefore, 8s go down to 7. So therefore, 17. 3s go up to 4s, 34. 7s go up to 8s. 58. Now you're looking at plus and minus 2. So plus and minus 2s are working with the odd and even number line. So if you have an odd number and you plus 2, you go to the next odd number. If you have an odd number, you do minus 2, you go back to the previous odd number. Same thing with the evens. So you have 45 plus 2. Well, 5s become 7, so 47. 8s go down to 6s, 96. 65, 5 goes down to a 3, so therefore 63. It's that simple. Now we get to 3s. When adding and subtracting 3, you're just going to do both. You're going to add 2, then add 1. If they ask you to subtract 3, you're going to minus 2, minus 1. You're just going to move along each number line. You have your natural number line, you have your odd number line, you have your even number line. So you're going to do both. So 32 has a 3. We all know that 3 is 2 plus 1. So it's 32 plus 2 is 34. And then 34 plus 1 is 35. So this is 35. You're going to go back an odd number and then back one more. So you'll land on 57 and then go back one more to 56. It's that simple. 6s go down to 4s and then one more is a 3. So 73. Okay. Now, when we get to 4s, there's really 2 ways to do these 4s. What you'll have here for the 4s, now obviously 4 is 2 plus 2. So you could move along the number line twice in a row using the odd number line here, using the even number line there. So you take your odd number, you take your 7, you go back twice. So you go 7, so you go 5, 3, so 7, 40, 43. 79 goes back 2, so 7, 5, 75. 2 goes up twice, so 4, 6, 86. It's that easy. Now after a while though, there are 2 ways you can do this. In this case, you could go back to 45 and then 43 to get your 43 by subtracting 4, or you could use a distance between 7 and 4. The distance between 7 and 4 is 3, so therefore you'll put down 43. That's another way to do this. Distance between 9 and 4 is 5, so therefore 75. There's 2 ways to subtract 4. As the second number gets larger, as you start subtracting a larger number, you start to think about distance between rather than moving along the number line. But you have to be able to move along the number lines on 1s, 2s, and 3s. I'm recommending 4s as well, but definitely the first 3. Okay? So this is mental math strategy number 1, and we will see you in the next one.